Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video, I will show you some of the free watch faces that you can try out. All of these watch faces have some great animations in the background. And the last one is one of my favorites. So starting off with this first watch face, this comes with the name of SWF, the Watch Classic. You can also further customize by simply long pressing in the center and then clicking on customize. You can change the background color from here. There are multiple color options available. Also you can change the color of the plate as well. There are some options of the hands also available. There are many options that you can choose from. Next you can change the color of the glass from here. You can change the color of the border, or there are multiple borders available that you can choose from. And even you can change or customize the bezel as well. Also, the numerals in the borders can also be changed or added from here. You can also customize the quarters of this watch face by simply swiping right, and as you can see there are multiple options of the quarters also available, and also you can darken the border as well, and in the end you can add some shortcuts to this watch face. You can add the shortcut you like the most, or the app you use the most, you can add that shortcut. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. So you can check this watch face out. This watch face is available for free in the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. Now moving on to the next watch face. So this watch face is available with the name of SWF Voyager Classic Pro. This watch face also have a great animation in the background, as you can see. Also you can further customize this watch face by simply long pressing and then clicking on this customize option. From here you will get to see that there are multiple options of glass available that you can choose from. There are multiple glasses as well. This is the first glass and this is the second glass. You can choose the option you like. After these glass customizations, you have also the option to customize the border as well. There are multiple border options available that you can choose from. All of these watch faces are fully customizable. You can customize these watch faces the way you like it. You can even change the bezel of this watch face as well. Also you can change the numerals as well of this watch face. There are multiple options of the hands available as well. And in the end you can also change the color of this watch face, and you can also add some shortcuts to this watch face. And talking about the always on display mode, so this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. So do check out this watch face as well, as it has this great running animation in the background, and this is also available for free. Now moving on to the one of my favorite watch faces is SWF Wave Classic Pro. This has really great animation running in the background. This watch face also has some further customizations available that you can customize, like you can darken the clockwork in the background as well. But I like this clockwork in the bright color. Also you can change or darken the glass as well. There are some border colors also available that you can choose from. There are multiple colors of the border available, or even you can darken the border. All of these watch faces have really great customizations available that you can customize the way you like it. And in the end you can also change the color of this watch face, and you can also add some shortcuts to this watch face as well. By adding these shortcuts in the watch faces, you can easily access the app you want to use instantly. I really like the animation of this watch face. The running animation in the background is simply awesome. I really like it. Talking about the always on display mode, so this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. And that's a wrap for today's video. Hopefully you will like these watch faces, and do check out these watch faces. All of these watch faces are available for free in the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite watch face in the comment section.